8 Foods for Clear Skin. 1. Brewer's Yeast. This food tops the list of skincare remedies. It's an excellent cleanser that helps remove impurities and treat problems like dermatitis, psoriasis, stretch marks, etc. You can take up to 6 grams a day, split into 3 doses. If its bitter flavor bothers you, you can find it with the bitterness removed. It can also be added to juices, smoothies, soups, and vegetable creams. Brewer's Yeast also adds a delicious toasted flavor to savory dishes. 2. Cherries. Almost everyone loves this delicious summery fruit that possesses the ability to purify the blood of toxins and naturally cleanse the skin. Their vitamin content also promotes skin health. We recommend eating them fresh and adding them to cookies and cakes to give them moisture. 3. Apples. Apples have so many healthy properties that they need an article all their own. Apples are a purifying fruit that eliminates toxins, promotes liver function and fights the bacteria that clogs pores. You can eat them raw, in salads, juices and smoothies, in desserts, as applesauce, etc. When you peel an organic apple, use the inside of the peel to cleanse your skin. This classic remedy was used by our grandmothers to naturally clean and tone the skin. 4. Lemon. No cleansing therapy is complete without lemons, especially when you want to treat oily skin. In fact, many cleansers include lemon due to their cleaning and antiseptic properties. Drink warm water with lemon on an empty stomach and between meals to take advantage of its benefits. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to your masks and daily cleanser if you have mixed or oily skin. 5. Dandelion. This wild plant named for its yellow flowers that grows naturally in fields and gardens is one of the best purifying agents in existence. Dandelion works directly on both the liver and kidneys, which helps the body's natural cleansing process to keep it from needing to expel the toxins through the pores. You can take it as a tea or add it fresh to salads and other dishes. If you gather it from outside, avoid areas that are close to roads and other sources of pollution. 6. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is not only good for the digestive system and helping eliminate retained fluids, it also helps reduce inflammation thanks to its bromelain content. For this reason, we recommend using it for any inflammatory skin problem like dermatitis, psoriasis, hives, etc. Pineapples can be eaten fresh or in natural juices. You can also try baking a few slices sprinkled with cinnamon and ginger. 7. Elderberry. This bush with purple fruits and white flowers is known for its ability to heal any type of skin imperfection and remove dark marks. It possesses anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and astringent properties, to name a few. They're delicious as a jam. In Northern Europe, the flowers are used to flavor drinks and syrups. 8. Melon. This delicious fruit provides plenty of water and fiber, which are vital for treating acne. Melon also helps prevent the scarring caused by severe acne. It's important to note that melon should be eaten on its own and not with other foods, as mixing them can result in indigestion. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.